Welcome back to the Scorpion YouTube channel. This is something we don't usually do, and that's get on camera and talk about our products. Behind me is our brand new development M3 G81 Touring. Some people might say it's green, it's Sao Paulo yellow, and I think it looks beautiful. The reason the car's on the ramp today is because we're going to be fitting our GPF-back system. We do offer a full range of products for the M3. However, it hasn't had its running in service yet, so the car's only done 300 miles. Over the course of the next few months, we will be doing various modifications to the car, such as wheels, carbon kits, coilovers, you name it, we want to put it on the car. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to fit it to the car. I won't be doing it, so I'll let the techs take over, and while they're fitting it, we'll run through some specs. So the GPF-back alone is a 4 kilogram weight saving product, which is what we're only fitting today. As we start to move on with the single mid pipes, etc., you can save more weight further down the line. This product is a T304 stainless system with a mixture of both MIG and TIG welds, sporting our 115mm black ceramic Daytona trims. Those are the trims we're fitting today. We also offer other options that are available on our website. As you can see, the car is now finished. Let me give you a little run through on why we decided the M3 Touring was right for us. With it being a touring model, it's a practical performance. BMW are at the forefront of performance cars, and for us, we thought it was perfect. So we've spoke about the product, you've seen the car, now I know all you want to do is hear it, so let's fire it up. Wow, I might be a little bit biased, but I think it sounds amazing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to see how we get on over the next couple of months with our M3 Touring.